In order to use Photoshop, the first thing you need to do is go to your Drive. In Drive, you're going to see a Shared with Me. Click on Shared with Me, and then you will see a folder with your class number on it. Open it up, and then you're going to find your photo. So at that point, you're going to locate your photo, right-click, and say Download. At that point, you might see it download right here, or if you don't see it right here like I don't, you can go to click on the dots, go to Downloads. Now, I want to make my screen smaller, so I can make this part smaller, and then I want to open up Photoshop and make that one smaller as well. What I can do is I can click on the image and I can drag it over, and it will open up here. If I was right here on the bottom, I could have clicked on it, drag it over, but it won't drag over unless you download it. Now you are ready to photo edit. Once you have an image, before you do anything else, you're going to go where it says Layers. If you can't see it, make sure you click on it. And on top of the word Background, you're going to right-click, say Duplicate Layer. That's okay. Click OK. Doesn't matter what it says. Now I need to turn off Background. Just unclick the eye. Now we're ready to do our Photoshop procedures. You're going to be mainly working in this one that looks like a paintbrush with a dotted line. You will also be going back and forth between the plus and the minus. So I want to make sure I have selected this one, and your goal is to try to remove the whole background. So I'm going to slowly go around my body. Now if I accidentally do too much, I can switch to the plus or the minus, and then I can start to remove what I don't want it to remove. Anything that's kind of looks like it's moving, that will be removed. So you want to go slow, slow, slow around you. Now I'm going to switch to the plus so I can remove the rest of the background. Again, I did too much. I can switch to the minus. So I'm going back and forth between the plus and the minus. Notice how slow I'm going. Now I notice I still have a little bit of a shoulder. Okay? Now only if you are on the background copy can I press delete. Immediately look and see, do I see something that I accidentally removed I don't want to? If you do, click edit, undo, and then you still have a chance to do it. Otherwise, you're going to have to start over again. So immediately look when you press delete to see if it's okay. Now we're ready to go save it. Once you've deleted it, we're going to go up to File, Save As. Under Desktop, you should see Student Work Folder. Click 2 times on that one, and then go to your class. You're going to click 2 times very fast. Click, click, and open it up. At this point, you need to change it to your name, your class. Okay? You can even put your year if you want. And then, before you click Save, you need to click where it says Photoshop and go down to where it says PNG. Click on PNG and click Save. We'll ask you this, say OK, and wait for it to save for you. That way it's saving without the background. Now you can click on the X. If it asks you to save the image, the original one, just say no. Now you're ready to put your photo in here. Go to the next video to learn how to do that.